Welcome back to LittleAIMaster, where you don't just use AI, you learn to raise one. Today we're starting at the very beginning with a question that sounds simple, but hides something amazing. What exactly is AI? Let's find out together. Picture this. A girl named Maya is scrolling her phone one afternoon. Suddenly her screen fills up with dance videos, her absolute favorite thing. But here's the weird part. She never searched for dance. She never typed a single word. So how did her phone know? That little moment of, wait, how did it know that, is happening to you every single day. And the answer is 3 letters long. AI, it feels like magic. It even looks like magic. But by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how the trick works. So let's crack the code. Those 2 letters, A and I, are actually short for 2 whole words. Most people say them 100 times a week and never stop to ask what they mean. Today we're going to pull them apart, 1 letter at a time. The A stands for artificial, and artificial just means human-made, not grown in nature, built by people. Think of a plastic flower next to a real one, or a robot next to a puppy. The plastic flower and the robot are artificial. Humans made them on purpose. The I stands for intelligence. That's the power to learn new things and solve problems. It's what you use every day at school when something clicks. So put them together, artificial plus intelligence. Human-made thinking. That's the whole secret in 3 words. Here's how I like to say it. AI is what happens when humans teach a computer to think and learn, a little bit like a person does. Notice the important word there. Humans teach it. AI doesn't just appear. Someone builds it. Remember that. It matters a lot later. This is where your journey starts inside LittleAIMaster. That warm gold glow you see is Byte, your AI buddy who walks you through every lesson. Byte isn't a plastic robot. Byte is a friendly light being who explains big ideas in small, clear steps. Now for the coolest part, how does AI actually get smart? Here's my secret. I'm a super pattern finder. A pattern is just something that repeats in a way you can spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a pattern. And finding patterns is the entire heart of how AI learns. But AI learns very differently from you. Think about how you learned what an apple is. You probably saw about 10 of them. Red ones, green ones, a bruised one. And your brain instantly figured it out. 10 examples, done. Your brain is incredible at that. AI is not that fast. To learn what an apple looks like, an AI might need to see 1 million pictures of apples. A whole million. Only then does it truly know every apple, every color, every angle, every weird lumpy one. Same idea as your brain, just way more examples. So here's the trade-off. You remember a face from one single glance, you're fast. But AI needs about 1,000 photos to learn one person's face. It's slow. Here's the twist though. Once trained, AI never forgets. New haircut, sunglasses, bad lighting, it still knows you. That's the real difference between you and me in one line. You are fast, but you forget. I am slow to learn, but I never forget. Neither one is better, we're just good at different things. And that's exactly why humans and AI make such a powerful team. Inside the app, you can actually look inside an AI brain. Those glowing dots and lines are connections, the paths AI uses to spot patterns. When you feed it examples, these connections light up and adjust, getting a little better each time. That's learning, happening right in front of you. Ready for something that'll blow your mind? Every time you unlock your phone with your face, a neural network fires up with 200 million tiny connections called parameters. That's more connections than your brain uses just for seeing. All of that in the time it takes to glance at a screen. Now that you know how AI really works, let's clear up some big misunderstandings. A lot of people believe things about AI that just aren't true. Movies are partly to blame. Let's bust 4 of the biggest myths, one by one, so you always know the real story. Myth number 1, AI is a walking metal robot. Nope, AI is software, code, not a body. It lives inside computers, phones, and apps. Most of the AI you use has no body at all. It's just clever instructions running quietly behind your screen. Myth number 2, AI is alive and has feelings. Also no, AI has exactly zero feelings. It can't be happy, it can't be sad, it can't be scared. When a chatbot types, "I'm so excited for you," it doesn't feel a thing. It's just math and code arranging the friendliest words. Myth number 3, AI is magic. This is the one we're crushing today. AI is not magic. It's clever math that humans created, piles of data plus pattern finding. It only feels like magic because you couldn't see the million examples it learned from. Now you can. Myth number 4, and maybe the most important. AI is always right. Definitely not. AI makes mistakes just like people do. It can misread a photo, mishear a word, or confidently give a wrong answer. So always keep your own brain switched on. Never just trust AI blindly. So here's the honest truth about me. AI is genuinely cool, but it's not magic and it's not alive. I'm just really, really good at math and finding patterns. Knowing that doesn't make AI less amazing. If anything, it makes it more amazing because now you understand it. Here's a simple test you can use forever to spot real AI. Ask one question. Does this thing learn? If it just follows fixed rules and never changes, that's not AI. If it studies examples and gets better over time, that's AI. Learning is the line between the two. Let's try it. A light switch on, off, that's it. No learning, not AI. A basic calculator. It just follows math rules it was given, so no AI either. A wind-up clock, only gears and springs, no thinking at all. A paper book, well, you do all the thinking there. Now the AI side. Siri and Alexa figure out what your voice means. Google Maps finds the fastest route by reading live traffic patterns. Camera face filters lock onto your face and track it in real time. And your email spam filter learns to catch junk mail. Every one of those learns. In the app, you get to play this yourself. Drag each thing into the right box, USE A.I, or no AI YouTube suggestions, a light switch, Google Maps, a calculator. Sorting them with your own hands is how the difference really sticks in your memory. Way better than just hearing me say it. Here's what surprises most people. You already use AI all day long without noticing. Let's walk through one ordinary day of yours and count how many times AI quietly shows up to help. I think the number is going to surprise you. Let's start at sunrise. Morning, your weather app predicts rain before a single drop falls. That's AI reading weather patterns. Then at school, you search a question and Google pulls the best answers from billions of pages in under 1 second. AI ranks which results are most useful, just for you. Playtime. Video game enemies that dodge your moves and get tougher the better you play. That's AI adapting to you. Then in the evening, Netflix lines up shows it's pretty sure you'll love. It studied everything you've watched and found more of exactly your taste. Voice assistants understanding your words. Your phone spotting faces in photos. Autocorrect fixing your spelling. Once you start looking, you see AI absolutely everywhere, quietly helping. And here's the best part, you're no longer confused by it. Now you actually know what's going on. Let's crack one famous example, TikTok's For You page. It's watching more than which videos you tap. It measures how long you watch, what you replay, where you pause, and what you skip past instantly. Every tiny move you make is another clue it collects about you. From all those clues, TikTok builds a model of your exact interests and predicts the next video you'll love. And that is pattern recognition, the very same skill we saw with the million apples. So the next time your feed feels spooky good, you'll know it's not magic, it's patterns. And this is the part that makes LittleAIMaster different. You don't stop at understanding AI, you get to raise your own. You feed it examples, watch it learn your patterns, and see it slowly get smarter. That's when it all clicks. You go from AI user to AI builder. Before we wrap, let's lock in 5 power words so you can talk about AI like a pro. Artificial, made by humans. Intelligence, the power to learn and solve problems. Patterns, something that repeats. Data, information a computer can learn from. And AI, the whole thing together. Now it's time to prove it. The app hits you with a quick checkpoint quiz. What does AI stand for? Who creates it? How does it learn? Get them right and you earn XP and watch your progress climb. It's the moment today's ideas turn into knowledge that actually sticks. Let's lock it all in. 5 things you now know for good. AI means artificial intelligence, human-made thinking. Humans create AI, not the other way around. AI learns by finding patterns in millions of examples. AI has no feelings, it's just math, and AI is quietly everywhere. Finish the chapter in the app and you claim your reward, confetti, XP, and your very first badge on the AI journey. It's proof you didn't just watch a video today. You genuinely understood something most grown-ups can't explain. That badge is the start of something big. Next up, we travel back 3,000 years to discover how humans have dreamed of smart machines since ancient times. It's a wild story. So subscribe, keep your streak alive, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Remember our motto, don't just use AI, raise one. You started today confused by a screen that read your mind. You're ending it understanding exactly how it works. That's real power. Open the app, finish the chapter, and let's keep building. See you soon.